Hello. Yeah, a quick one. Someone watched the previous video I made about a year ago. That's on Python. How to create a login page that opens another window in Thinkific. And the question was, the person was wondering if we could add something like a welcome page, like a welcome front desk. So, just to show the person and whoever may find this useful as well. So, this is what actually is needed. Just as you have the welcome label, that's a label right here. I will take it out just for demonstration and I'll put it back. Watch out on line 19 right here, line 19. So, this is what I included in the page. Okay, so this is a warning so that I put there. I can change it. So let me remove that. And you can see that immediately I removed that. You see notes underscore label dot pack through error. And you can see it right here. The reason is that this is packing what I put here. So if the welcome message, no, the warning message is no more there, then the pack should not be there because it's now packing nothing. So that's why we have this here. So I will clean this also off so that we have just the format of the old one. Then I will now show. Okay, so let's put this front desk and password. Okay, welcome user. So you can see that it has opened. Welcome to this is what we had before, but now I'm going to close it and I'll go back here and put, where's my paste? Okay, so you can see 19. Just like the one up here, welcome label that we have there. So the same way you will do this, and you can see now that this is grayed out because it's not packed. So even if I run it now, it will not show. This content will not show because it's not packed. So let's do that. Let's run it and you see that it will not show. Front desk, that's the username. Okay, you can see that though we have that warning note there, it's not showing here because it's not packed. So I'll close it. Then we go down here. This is the one that we have just added to it, just like the one that we have there before. Nothing serious. Welcome label. So it's a label. If you are writing something on the page, it's a label. But let me see if it's still open. Okay, it's not open. I think I've closed it. Okay, so I will show you the other one with that, which is frame. So what you do is, since you have this and you have that same welcome label dot pack, this one also will be notes underscore label dot pack. Notes underscore label.pack. So you open your parentheses and what's your pad x? Pad x equal, now this is where I would demonstrate again. Let's say 10, or let's say 100, comma, and your pad y equal 10. If you do it this way, you will see the two of them will be close to each other just as they are here because of the distances. So let's run it. Now we have this to pack it, so it's going to show now. Front desk, then password, and you can see now that it has shown on the welcome page. You can see it. If you have come across this page by accident and you're not an authorized user, close the page immediately to avoid legal action. Okay, so now let's try and make it a little bit distant from the welcome to new page. Please fill the form below. Assuming we create a frame and we put a form there, and we now put this one at the bottom. So let's make this one 150, and let's see where it will be positioned. Front desk, then password. And you can see it here now. We've given it a sizable distance between welcome to a new page. Please fill form below. If there is a form, if we create a frame and we put a form here, then this one will be at the bottom. So the size of that form could push this down, further down, okay? Especially if you are using grid. Well, in this particular application, we use two methods. If you look up here, we use pack up here, and down here we use grid for the frame. And see, we use grid for the frame. So you combine both. So for my friend that asked the question, here is what you need. Just this. You put your text, and you can see it down like this, and you need, this is the second thing. So your number 19 and 21 are the two things you need. You need to create your label, and you need to create and to pack it. That's all. This 19 and this welcome, the label, the pack is already existing there before now, and that's to pack this one welcome label that is up here. Okay, so any label you create, you have to pack it, otherwise it will not show. Until you pack it, it will not show. So that's all.